folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Today we are going to learn vocabulary related to money. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Friends, when you give or offer your money to any church or temple, it is called offering. When you donate your money to any charitable trust for the welfare of society or community, it's called donation. When bride brings an amount of money or property at the time of marriage for her husband, it's called dowry. When court orders to give some amount to their spouse during separation as a financial support, is called alimony. When you owe someone, it's called debt. When you pay the government, it's called tax. When you break the rule and you have to pay some amount of money, that is called fine. That you have to pay as a punishment, that is called fine. When civil servants retires, they get pension. When employer gives money to employee, that is called salary. When you borrow money from bank, it is called loan. When you offer after a service, it's called tip. When kidnappers ask money after kidnapping somebody, it's called ransom. When illegally received in the name of service, it's called bribe. When you pay at school, it's called fee. When you give pocket money to your child on regular basis, it's called allowance. Hope you could learn the vocabulary and different names related to money in an interesting way. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon.